Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your future oasis in Adelphi, St. James. This expansive, approximately half-acre level residential land features not just one, but two charming houses ready for your personal touch. The spacious main house boasts two comfortable bedrooms and two bathrooms equipped with electrical and plumbing fixtures, already connected to JPS and NWC. Enjoy the convenience of air conditioning with pre-wiring in the living room and both bedrooms, while large window fitted with mosquito mesh allow for refreshing airflow throughout. The second house is a cozy one bedroom, one bathroom retreat, perfect for generating rental income or serving as an in-law suite. Both properties require some updates, including bathroom and kitchen fixtures and tiling, providing a wonderful opportunity for the discerning buyer to infuse their unique style and complete these homes to their satisfaction. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to create your dream living space. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 17.5 million or US $110.5 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.